Recently, we did an online promotion with Dupli-Color where people that watched the show could send in information about themselves and their truck, especially if they had a scratch in it that we could fix with Dupli-Color products. And Peter, today, it is you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. So, real quick, what's the vehicle?
2020 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition.
And we've got some nicks right inside the door here?
Yes, along the edge of the door.
And we found one more down there on the wheel.
Right.
The first thing we need to do is get the paint code, which on the Hondas is right in here, and that is NH731P. So what we can do is, if you want to make sure that you're getting the right color, there's a couple different options. First of all, you go to your local parts store or your retailer, and you're going to find a booklet like this. Here's the instructions on how to find the paint code in your Honda. And if you're still having troubles, you can simply scan that code, and it'll pull up a video that will show you how to do it. If you don't have access to this booklet, you can always find that online at the Dupli-Color website as well. Peter, we're going to use the Scratch Fix all-in-one because your issues are pretty minor and everything we need to fix them is right in here. First thing we're going to do is get this surface good and clean. We're going to use some of the foaming prep spray. We don't want anything messing up our adhesion, right? And we're just going to start laying some paint. We're going to use the brush, definitely, but it won't even need to take that much paint. So this should be relatively easy. I got the paint on the door. That was nice and easy. And now Peter is going to tackle that little scuff on that front wheel. He's going to use the universal black. But before we do that, we got to make sure that that surface is ready for paint. So the first thing he's going to do is wipe it down with the prep spray. Then he'll get in there with that abrasive tip, hit that with prep spray again. And once that flashes and dries off, we're ready to start laying on the color. So, Peter, we're at the point now where you got the paint on the wheel, and that's a gloss finish, right? So we don't need to clear that if you don't want to. So that's up to you.
No, that's good.
Yep.
Correct.
You're good? All right, so I will get some clear on the door fix, though, that I did.
Okay.
So. All right, today was cool because we used the Scratch Fix all-in-one. We used the universal black on the wheel. Then if we did have a bigger job where we needed to use an aerosol, we could have used the Perfect Match. So if you've got any questions or you want any more information about any of these products, be sure to check out Dupli-Color's website. And I'll finish this up for you before you
Sounds great.
Excellent.
This tech tip brought to you by Dupli-Color.